Hello, this is Weird Eats by Elise, and this is my neighbor Carrie.
Hi!
Today we're going to be making chocolate chip banana bread
With chickpea flour.
Woo! First thing is you're going to press bake, and then 350.
Next, you're going to spread the oil throughout the pan.
Banana!
There.
Then we're gonna add the bananas, mash.
Okay, so the next step is to pour the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients.
Definitely not least, chocolate chips. Next, we're going to pour the batter into the pan, a bread pan. Now it's done, we take it out. As you can see, we did a skewer test, or you can do a toothpick as well. It's a little bit brown on the top, but I think it's good. Okay, so when we took it out, it got a little bit messy. So maybe when you take it out, be a bit careful.
Maybe not flip it over.
Yeah, but I think it'll taste just about the same. So let's try it.
Tip, add as much as olive oil as
Taste this delicious salad. Oh my gosh.
It's hot, but it's so good.
It's like perfect. And if you actually do it in bread form and you add just a little bit of butter,
Oh my god.
oh my gosh. Next time on Weird Eats by Elise. Put it in a little thing and added a little Hello Kitty fork, and it is so good.